In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Google. Now tap on All Services, scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Select Google Password Manager. Tap on the password you wanna check and enter your current login method. Lastly, tap on this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Or quick tip, if your password is too long, hit Edit and check it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!